friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're planning for the week of April 25th through May 1st. This is concert week for me. Well, concert week 1 of 2. Usually I have all of my concerts in 1 week, which is insane, but I do it. I'm planning on using what I have left over of the Lemon Drop kit along with the Lemon Drop colorway on quotes, and then I have Tamika's current freebie, which is also a Lemon Drop. Man, words are hard today. I've had that happening a lot. So, and then I have this is minimalistic. No, monochromatic. See, words hard. I'm feeling so much better, but like the words, everything I've done today has been like that. So we're just going to have fun planning with all of these Coffee Planner Mom stickers. I'm still a PR girl for her, so if you would like my freebie, you can mention, or you can use code Holly15 for 15% off your order in the Woodland Hues. Love Woodland Hues. All right, let's get started. I think we're going to do a big old quote in the middle here. Do we want to? I think we're going to go this way. Like that. We'll go ahead and put our... We're going to jump around today. Got our sidebar going. I think yes, I like that. Kind of combining those stripies together. So we got Chase Your Dreams. Weekend banner will happen. This week we'll use Don't Forget for some appointments. We've got Mom has a dentist appointment this week. Concert is in the evening. So let's do the big yellow. Do I have an important? I know I have extra importance, so I'm not worried about that. Oh, and I have these boxes too. I have like a sheet of any quotes I don't use from a kit, or scripts, I should say, scripts I don't use from a kit. Some of them, yeah, there's a lot. So I just kind of keep a page of those. So we'll do important. Let's put it maybe with here with this guy and a blue dot. I don't think I'm gonna forget concerts, I'm just saying, but we can put it in our planner. And then there's another appointment here. We'll put the lemons up here. And that's my dad's allergy shot appointment. I feel like we need to, oh no. Oh, the dogs. So it is Saturday, we're leaving it. I'm not even undoing it. It's just staying. It is going to be 78 degrees here today, Saturday, the 23rd of April. It's crazy. I mean, I don't hate it. I'm not knocking it. I'm gonna reap all the benefits. And then we're gonna do date night here. I need to get date night stickers. Oh, you know what? I might undo this one unless it's, oh. Oh. I think what I want to do for date night, what if we switched it up? Let's do that. Oh my goodness, those doggos. They are crazy. Got a trash night sticker. Let's use it. So yeah, the dogs are going nuts because it's so nice out. I don't typically use the trash night sticker, but why not? I mean, why not? Let's look again. Anything else of the appointment variety that needs to be done? I don't think so. I think we're good there. Huh. I know I have these, but now that I've done the black one, I might do another black one over there. And maybe save the ones in the colorway for the sidebar. Because I had another idea too. So, okay, let's do the weekend banner. Weekend banner. I think we're going to put it up here. And then we've got a Towel Tuesday we can use. Man, everything happens on Tuesday. Let's choose one of the more orangey stickers. Excuse me. We can layer it with this guy. Why not? We can. Nothing is stopping us. And we can build the trip together. I'm not gonna sing it. I already did. Nothing's gonna stop us now. It's one of those videos, friends. I told you in the last one, like, you don't know what's gonna come out of my mouth anymore. All right, chores. I think we will use the chore sticker. This is one of those weird weeks. It would technically be 2 zones. So I'll have to think on how I want to do that. Let's do this quote. And I'm going to pull out my little book just to make sure I'm not missing something. Sound effects for everything. Oh, I took my nice scissors to the other room again. What is wrong with me? All right, we'll have to use the big scissors. So there's probably not going to be very many videos this week. Like, I feel like I've done quite a few lately. May end up just being this one. I don't know. Like, I'll plan in my other planner sections, but it may end up being quiet planning where I don't film it. Come. get me how's that to elongate that hot mess sticker? Just saying. It's so good. All right, little book. Where did I put you? Oh, you're underneath the big book. Oh, goodness. Oh, Friday is also coffee day. I think that's the big stuff. Rude, it's not Friday. Priority. Projects, top 3 gardening. I think that might be it. I've got some blue bullets I can use to decorate too, so I'll throw these out. Well, not throw them out. Take them out. All right. So the other thing I wanted to do is I was going to use my mild liners. I got 3 that kind of color tested that went with the kit. I was going to kind of do maybe some designs in the middle. But before I do that, I've got those bullet points, these bullet points, a few left on here. Okay, I think what I'll do is I want to find it. Do I want to go against the direction it's going? I guess so, because I did it. That's fun. I like that a lot. Just kind of pops in a different way. Just kind of pops in a different way. Do I have? And I do, but not in that color. So we won't. Oh, we could just do. Bullet point there. Point there. And maybe point here. And a bullet point here. And do another one here. And here. So that we got some of that going on. We'll do shine bright. And then I'm gonna wait to use the freebie, I think. I do have habit trackers. I think I'll use these guys to kind of outline the habit trackers because they're black habit trackers. Okay, let's put some of these guys away. That's the other thing I need to remember to do. I need to remember to post thing about doing like ask me anything while I organize my stickers. That would be good to do. All right, I was gonna use let's use a change bedding script on my to-dos over here. There we go. And I was gonna do, what was I gonna do? Could just write, but stickers are way more fun. I think this week I really want to try and do some yoga or mobility type workouts. I'm trying to get back into working out after being sick. And I want something that's not too high intensity. I am not saying that yoga is not hard, because it is. But I would like to have something that's maybe not as intense. Okay. What do we want to write on the other one? So are you working today? Awesome. So yoga and I'm doing vitamins because some days I forget my vitamin D, and that ain't great. So I think that's it for this video. Oh, I mean, I can write in. Don't forget. And then, well, let's do this. We'll write date here and night here. It's date night. What? Okay. And I'm debating how I want to do this zone, so I'm not even, I'll just write chores. I know I have a chore sticker, but now I'm in the writing mode. All right, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button. Check out Coffee Planner Mom, and I will catch you all in the next one.